Okay, so this is a just a quick tips for fitting a top box to a 2021 Honda PCX125. Anybody concerned about this rear panel here? So what you are going to need is this fitting kit, okay, to fit that box. Okay, now just so you know that one of the problems that people have is where the actual how to get this off. The bearing in mind is that this panel here, you can't remove this panel from the outside because you will actually break a lug, which is what I ended up actually doing. But to let you know where all the fixing points are along here, okay. So if I remove this, okay, I can show you exactly where the fixing points are. So you've got the two main ones here, okay, which are these. So these ones will easily pop off by putting a soft blade underneath here to pop those off. And you then have first fixing point here, okay. So you've got the main one there, and another one there. Then at the side, you've got the back and there. So these are where all the fixing points are. Okay, I think there's one there as well and there. Okay, these will quite easily pop off all the way around. So you know there's none in the center. There's just that one there, that side. Then you've got fixing points along here. Okay, so you know exactly where all the points are. So we'll put this back on. Position it's meant to be in. So your fixing points here, here, and then you'll have them on the rear and there. But really, when you get that main one and that main one and these two first side ones, you'll be able to lever this up using your hand, and these will just pop off quite easily. Okay, now underneath, okay, you've got a screw fixture which I've taken off. So there's a screw there which will enable you then to slide that off. Okay, so that then comes off. You won't need that anymore because when this goes back on like that, the fixing points are already pre-drilled, so you won't need to do any drilling at all. So they're pre-drilled, and then these will then actually fit on that way, so it comes out slightly splayed, okay, like that. And you won't need to put any of the panels back on there at all. Okay, if you want to, you can, I suppose, pre-drill that, or you can actually put a bung into there, put a little bit of tape if you want over that side as well. Okay, but other than that, that's it. So that's where your fixing points are. Just a reminder, look at it from the back. And you can screenshot that if you want, so you can see where the fixing points actually are. Okay, hope that helps.